Friends, think of this. You wake up every day to the harsh sound of your alarm, dreading the monotonous routine that lies ahead. You work hard, but the bills keep piling up, leaving you stressed and overwhelmed by financial burdens. You dream of a life filled with abundance and prosperity, but it feels like an unattainable fantasy. If this scenario resonates with you, then keep watching, because today we're about to reveal the secrets that will forever change your perception of what's possible. In this electrifying video, we bring you the wisdom of the legendary Bob Proctor, a pioneer in the field of personal development and manifestation. Get ready to unlock your dreams and manifest financial abundance with a revolutionary 3-minute prayer technique. Yes, you heard that right. Just 3 minutes. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the extraordinary concept of mind saturation and how you can harness its power to attract abundance and prosperity into your life. Imagine saturating your mind with positive thoughts, beliefs, and affirmations that magnetize wealth towards you, making your dreams a living reality. And if that's not enough to captivate your curiosity, we'll take you on a deep exploration into the untapped potential of your subconscious mind. Discover the astonishing secrets of harnessing this powerhouse within you for financial success. It's time to rewrite the narrative of your financial reality and unleash your true potential. So, if you're tired of living in the realm of scarcity, if you're ready to shatter limitations and embrace a life of abundance, then we invite you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your life and join us on this incredible journey towards unlocking the financial abundance you deserve. Get ready to step into a world of endless possibilities as we reveal Bob Proctor's life-changing techniques that will empower you to manifest your dreams and attract wealth beyond your wildest imagination. Friends, we're about to reveal a powerful concept that will revolutionize the way you approach manifesting your desires. Mind saturation. Mind saturation is all about directing your thoughts and energy towards the things you truly desire. It's about replacing any limiting or doubtful thoughts with a deep, unwavering sense of abundance and prosperity. By saturating your mind with positive ideas and beliefs, you can effectively displace any thoughts of lack or scarcity. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and instead of thinking about your financial struggles or obstacles, you fill your mind with thoughts of wealth, success, and prosperity. You consciously choose to replace doubt with a strong belief in your own abundant future. Through consistent practice, this becomes your default mindset, shifting your entire perspective on what is possible for you. Ancient wisdom tells us that we can transition from a place of lack to a place of abundance through the renewal of our minds. It's a process of replacing old thought patterns with new ones that align with the reality we want to create. By intentionally saturating our minds with thoughts and beliefs of abundance, we begin to attract and manifest abundance in our lives. Let's take a moment to consider an example. Imagine you have always believed that opportunities for financial success are scarce and that you'll never truly achieve the level of abundance you desire. Now let's replace that thought pattern with a new belief that opportunities for financial success are abundant and that you have the power to attract them. By consistently saturating your mind with this new belief, you'll begin to see a shift in your mindset, actions, and ultimately, your results. Let's talk about the optimal time for mind saturation, just before going to sleep. During this time, your conscious mind starts to relax, allowing your subconscious mind to take the spotlight. Your subconscious mind is highly receptive to suggestions, making it the most transformative time for manifesting change in your life. By consciously saturating your mind with positive thoughts and ideas before sleep, you set the stage for your subconscious mind to work on your desires and align your being with abundance. Friends, our subconscious mind is a mighty force, capable of shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, our reality. What we feed our minds before drifting off to sleep has a profound impact on our subconscious throughout the night. It's crucial that we go to bed with feelings of abundance, success, and prosperity. By cultivating powerful thoughts and emotions before sleep, we set the stage for our subconscious mind to work its magic while we rest. This process aligns our deepest desires with our actions, creating a potent cocktail for achieving financial success. Now let's explore a manifestation technique that can supercharge the process: the visionary panel. This technique involves finding images of currency that resonate with you and using them to stimulate your imagination. By gazing at these images and holding them in your mind's eye, let your imagination play with the possibilities. Visualize yourself surrounded by stacks of money, picturing the lifestyle you desire. Feel the exhilaration of financial freedom and let these images imprint deeply into your subconscious mind. The visionary panel technique amplifies your manifestation efforts, helping you materialize wealth and abundance more swiftly. To successfully reshape our financial reality, motivation needs to be accompanied by discipline. Embracing discipline allows us to remain focused, consistent, and committed to our financial goals. It enables us to take the necessary actions and make the right decisions that align with our desires. Discipline empowers us to adopt practices such as budgeting, setting financial targets, and cultivating good financial habits. It's this daily commitment that paves the way for long-term financial success. So, as you work on harnessing your subconscious mind, remember to infuse your journey with discipline and watch as your financial reality transforms before your eyes. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards unlocking your path to financial abundance. By learning and implementing the powerful techniques shared in this video, you have equipped yourself with the tools to manifest your deepest desires. Remember, saying yes to abundance and embracing positive vibes opens up a world of possibilities for success. It's about shifting your mindset, letting go of limiting beliefs, and truly believing in your own power to create the life you desire. The journey towards financial abundance requires dedication and faith in these techniques. It's an ongoing process of practicing the manifestation rituals, nurturing a positive mindset, and consistently taking inspired action towards your financial goals. Now, we invite you to take a moment to reflect on this video. If you found the techniques and insights valuable, we would greatly appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support ensures that we can continue to bring you quality content that empowers you on your manifestation journey. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share with us your success stories, your challenges, and the breakthroughs you've experienced as you integrate these techniques into your life. Let's create a community of abundance-minded individuals, supporting and inspiring each other to reach new heights. As you embark on your manifestation journey, we send you our heartfelt blessings and wish you the utmost success in manifesting your desires. Remember, you have the power within you to create the life of your dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep thriving. We'll be right here, ready to guide you on your path to financial abundance.